Hello everyone. Let us have a look at the solution of question 6 from Clash of Brains season 2. We have to find total number of triangles present in the given figure. The white line figures are our cases. Now look at the first case displayed. For one corner it makes 8 triangles. So for 3 corners it will make 24 triangles. Now look at the second case. One outside edge forms this one triangle. So 3 edges will form 3 such triangles. Now for third case, one corner forms 2 such triangles displayed in the figure. So 3 corners will form 6 such triangles. For fourth case, small triangle corner forms 2 such triangles. So 3 corners will form 6 triangles. For fifth case, consider this single small triangle. For sixth case, big triangle corner form 2 triangles. So 3 corners will form 6 triangles. For seventh case, consider this single large triangle. Now adding all these 7 cases, we get 24 plus 3 plus 6 plus 6 plus 1 plus 6 plus 1. That adds up to total number of triangles in the figure as 47 triangles. If you still have any query left, feel free to contact us via aptitude on Instagram.